Hey guys, welcome to beautiful Siesta Key, Florida, located beautifully in Sarasota. We're taking a walk down the sand, so I kind of want you guys just to get, there's my friends right in front of me, Don and his family. They're bringing me up here, but I'm just going to shoot my walk down to the water. Beautiful skies today. It's not often that I get out here, so I hope you'll love it. I see a lot of tourists here. I know you'd rather look at the scenery around here than me. I wish I knew how to edit this, but right now I'm just going to do hard video. You made it!
Yeah.
Tourists taking pictures. Oh, what a beautiful day. The water looks beautiful. It's not very packed. It's a Wednesday. Hopefully we can see some dolphins. So I'm going to make this about a 2-minute video, and then we'll start up down by the beach. Thank you guys for joining me on my walk down. I know the camera's shaky. Got a beauty coming up on me. Look at that. Man, oh man. She's here with her boyfriend, playing soccer on the beach. Got some parasailing going on out there.